What's up, everyone? We're heading out to the trail, horse with her name. I was trying to do it a while back, but I got a flat that day and called it a day. I was going to return and do it the next day, but I decided to go a different route, which then I lost all my footage from that route. So that was a bad weekend for sure. But it's a new day, it's a new weekend, and we're gonna head out to horse with her name. You know, so they cut some grass. I wonder how far they went in. It'd be nice if they went all the way in. They didn't, but you know, it'd be nice. I'm really just tired of hitchhikers, but we're heading to horse with her name now, so we'll get there. I gotta climb a hill or two and just ride. But yeah, I'm really tired of the hitchhikers. I know it's the part of the territory, especially living around here, but you get tired of picking them off your socks for sure, and your shorts, and sometimes even your shirts. But it's a rarity. Usually if it's on your shirt, you forgot to, so they kind of cut it down the, oh cool, I'm cool with this. This is perfect. They did cut it. Well, they didn't cut it. I think they just mushed it. No, they cut it. They probably used one of those farming tractors that isn't like an actual lawnmower. It's more like a, well, it is a lawnmower, but it's like not like your traditional lawnmower. So we're gonna head up that hill over there, and then maybe you'll see some turkeys. Last time I came through here, which was the day that I got the flat tire, I saw some turkeys. Like a whole, I don't know, what the hell is a group called? I forget. It's been a while since I thought about it. But yeah. Saw a bunch of turkeys over here in this little, there's a stream you can't really see because of the grass, but yeah, I saw them right across the stream from here, which was awesome. And we'll do a horse with no name and we'll go have some fun. It seems like a fun trail. I haven't ridden it, the whole thing, in a long time. Back in the day it was fun. I'm sure it's still fun. But there's an alternate route too, which I might take as part of the video today. But if you don't know, a lot of horse riders come here. Yeah, right over here is where I saw the turkeys, right across the stream. They just came from that side to go over here. I was trying to get their attention, but they didn't want to listen. Because they're turkeys. They don't fucking listen to anything. They're turkeys. You know? They do what they want. They're mean too, man. They can be real mean. I wish you would have hit the record button a little sooner. I just heard a hawk go, ree, screech. The screech sound they make. Would have been awesome to catch on camera. But we're going to head down a horse with no name. This is it right here. We're going to go down it. And we'll do the alternate if we can. There it goes again. I don't know if y'all could hear it in the background. But he's a-calling. Alright, it's going to be loud because of all the leaves. But it should be fun. A lot of sticks, apparently. Alright. Sticks and branches. So there's a turn off coming up that I think that is the main trail. So that is the trail. But this one is the top part. And there's a B route, or alternate route, which I don't think has a name. So I'm just gonna call it the horse with no name alternative. If I do it. It's looking pretty rough already with all these trees down and stuff. So I gotta be a little careful because there's a lot of ooh, Rudy. Ooh. Alright, here it is. Here's the split. And horse with no name goes up here. Yeah, I got a little bit slower today than I normally would. with all the leaves, but I haven't been back here since the storms, so I don't even know what's around anymore. That 2 weeks of rain was a bitch. Ooh. Not a bad place so far. Not too sticky. Lots of leaves, but not too sticky and branchy. Rock. Ooh, bumpy right there. It's a little trenchy here from all the horses. Stick. Big branch. Ooh, very bumpy from the horses. That's all right. Trail's not bad. A little more pedaling than I would have thought, but not bad at all. Ooh, a log. A little more bumpy than I would have thought, but not bad. A little more pedally than I thought. Not bad. Not that bad though. Kind of glad. They're kind of lame. That's lame. Whew. All right, let's go. Ooh, rocks. Yeah. Where's this trail going? It's been years since I've actually done the whole trail. I only got about a couple 100 feet into the trail before very ruddy from the horses. Before I got a flat. I think the flat happened somewhere else, but they didn't start going until getting flat until I went down the trail. All right. Probably should have had it in a higher gear, but alright. Not like I'm going Mach 10 or anything. Right. A lot of trees, I could have went around that. But I didn't. A lot of trees are down here. It's not a bad trail. It's just not a downhill trail. That's for sure. It does have some downhill spots, but it's more flat than anything. You're gonna get a lot of that out here because we're in the foothills. But, you know, anyway, head over to here, see what's over here, which means we're going to have some really steep downhill at some point in time, or some switchbacks. Wasn't ready for it. I hear some downhill coming up. That'll be fun. All right. I have grass in my wheel. Now I don't. All right. So much leaves. Ow, whatever hit me in the shin, that kind of hurt. Feel like a rock. Ooh. Could have been a stick though, not sure. Ooh. There was a rock there. I definitely couldn't see. This is cool. You're like riding up on almost a ridge, but like right alongside it. Nice. Here's the river. So where does this go? Because the map didn't seem to go this way. Could be just a leaf fall, but wrong way, huh? All right, jump that way. Go down here, and hopefully not fall off the top. That's a new route. I wonder why they did that. I saw some trees down. That didn't seem to be a big reason to cut off the trail, though. Very hooky from the horses. Missed the turn. There's Wonder Street. Maybe this is horse with no name. But I could be wrong. Missed the turn. That was mostly my fault. I was going way too fast. That turn. This seems like a newish trail. Whoa. That stick got me good. Huh? This is, I'm assuming, the 1831 trail, or the Hoko through trail, however you want to name it. Seems like it. It is. Oh, well, that was fun. But I'm gonna check if that was horse with no name, because I could have sworn it came out somewhere else. Unless that was part of the alternative route and it crosses, which is possible. Yeah, we use the third stream, try to get back up. So this is Wonder Stream. Well, the end of it, the bottom end of it. We're gonna be heading up just so we can do the alternate route. And maybe, if I'm feeling, depends on how I feel after I do the second one. Because that was short, but great. No horses beyond this point. Okay. I'm not a horse, so. I eat like a horse sometimes. Horse with no name alternative route is what we're doing. Right now we're just on horse with no name. We're gonna head to the split and get the alternative done. How? I know that wasn't hitting the leg again, but it definitely hurt. Whew. Ooh, that was rough down. There's too much torque down to get up there. There's a blade of grass in my brake there. Let me get to the split, I'll take it out. Ain't hurt nothing right now. So we should be alright. Actually, take it out now. Yeah, it's definitely in my brake. When I pull the brake, I can feel it crush it. All right, let's get her going. All right. Oh, hell yeah. There we go. All right, so we're at the split. Horse with no name. Over there, the alternative. I'm just calling it the horse with no name alternative because there is a name for it, at least that I know of. So we're gonna bolt down it and have a little bit of fun. Well, not bolt, but you know, ride down. Not too fast because I don't know the trail. And there's leaves everywhere. So for all I know, it could be sketchy as heck. Drop there. Little root section. Ooh, there's a stick. Go down. There we go. I know I'm not going super fast, but that's because it's fall. Oh, that was cool. I like that. This is pretty cool so far. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. This way's way more fun. A little techie there. And here. We're good. Gotta try to kill the plate. Techie, techie, techie. Be careful. Ooh, that was close. should have popped up on that one. That's alright, we're good. There's a leaf stuck in my skin. Now it's gone. No, it's still there. Oh, I like that part. That was fun. Let's see what's coming up here. Whew. We were right over there for the horse with no name. We weren't far from here. Actually, you could have seen it. You could see it from where we were. Little stream. I don't know how crazy it is. Now I know. No horses past this point. So they have a beer out for the horses. So, all right, that part not so fun, but the beginning part was great. Because, well, that could be mostly because I'm going in blind. Actually, it is doable. I should have attempted it, but it is very doable. But I'm a silly head, so tires are feeling good. I'm kind of sketched here, so I can't see. Where did this big ass branch come from? I got rid of that branch. Let's go. As there's branches in my spokes. Which spokes though? All right. Now it's all gone. Doesn't look like people come through here very much. Some of these sticks are old. And these leaves are just tall. Like I have no traction. I have a little bit, not a lot. All right, cool. Go down this way. More of a trail here. Almost back there. Oof. That kind of sucked. I got stuffed by a root. Now it's coming up. All right. We come down here a little bit. Okay. Very leafy out. This is cool. I like this spot right here. The beginning of this spot's been fun. Didn't quite make it. Pedaled it out though. Slow down a little bit too much before I hit it. All right. Slick. Oh, this is cool right here. Minus this little pit of mud. Man, that was a cool spot. I like the beginning and the end. Well, not the end yet, but this part where we stopped. That was pretty cool, actually. I liked it. Is this sturdy? Yeah, it is. Should use it for 1 foot. Not sturdy enough. I heard it cracking. All right. I would have verted across it, but I don't know what the weather looks like. A lot of leaves in the bottom of the stream there. Actually, that wasn't bad. I liked it. That was actually kind of fun. That was actually kind of fun. I don't know what you want to call that. I'm going to call it the alternative to horse with no name. But yeah, we're kind of far down the 1813 trail now, or 1831 trail, sorry, or the Hoko through trail. We're pretty far down. Let's see if we can find a horse with no name. I don't remember crossing trails, so I don't think we crossed the haunted barn trail. So we're not that far down, but we're far enough to where it's like, whoa. That was a fun trail. I need to take my son down it. He'll have a lot of fun. Preferably when there's not a bunch of leaves on it. And we'll do it again in the spring or something. When most of the leaves are gone, excuse me. Sorry for the burps. All right. When the leaves fall, I just don't remember the trail that well. Not because of the leaves. Oh, I know where we're at. Okay, I know exactly where we're at. Well, it's because of the leaves, but I remember the trail more than I remember what's everything around it. But I know where we're at because we used to camp here from time to time, even though you're not supposed to. Right down here. Up the river. Yeah, we used to camp right around here, especially on this river bank that doesn't exist anymore apparently. Yeah, so we found a new trail, or not a new trail, but we have another trail to go down. I don't know if it's gonna be good. I might use the haunted barn trail to get up there. I'm still debating on that. I gotta see where it comes out at and see how steep it looks, mostly. Because I don't want to pedal up really steep hills right now. I mean, I do, but I don't. You know what I mean? I should say long, steep hills. It's mostly because of the leaves. The leaves don't give you any traction. So, it's kind of crazy right now with all the leaves. But, and then we'll head back to Wonder Stream, take a bit of Heavens to Betsy back to the truck, because Heavens to Betsy does cut out near a field that leads right back to the truck. So or when it comes out to a point from that area, from the field area. So ooh, horsey footprints everywhere from the horses that went by. They came from this direction. Oh, sorry about the slowness of the downhill, but this is sick. Yeah, it's right in between those two trees. It's pretty fun. All right, this is where that loop is, where it starts. Seems like nobody's been back here for a while. It is uphill to the top of the loop. You're gonna hear a lot of leaves. So doesn't look like maybe people come back here. But we're gonna go up it and see what it's like up here. It looks like it goes to the top of this hill, and you can see a lot from it, especially with all the grass starting to fall, and the leaves and the bushes and stuff. Oh. Here's a split of the loop. No horses on this side though. We're gonna go left. Ooh. Very rocky. Right here. I'm glad I went left. Coming down from the top will be way easier because I can't see the rocks. Now, where's this go? I can kind of tell. It goes down this way. I'm gonna go around this obstacle. Ooh, that was rough. We'll have to come back here when it's clear and not covered in leaves. Ooh, that was straight. Gotta be careful right here. If you slide on that hill, you ain't coming back. This is the loop. Oh, this is cool. Nice vantage point. Can't really see much of how thick the forest is here, but another mountain biker. Nice. Okay. I guess we go this way. I don't know which way would be more fun. I think without the leaves, that way would be more fun to go down. And this way would be more fun with the leaves. You know what I'm saying? There's a reason I say things. They sound dumb, but they ain't. Okay. Yeah, this would have been way more fun going from the top to here. That was rough. No horses beyond that point either. It seems. Alrighty. Kind of moseying on down. Ooh. Let's go. Alright, so had an interesting interaction with that mountain biker. A little too fast on that. He built this part of the trail. God, he's a nice dude. He's been leaving trail ornaments. He just put a little stuffed gorilla up there. But ooh, that was fun. This sounds fucking epic downhill. Ooh. Fucking fast right there. Fucking right there. Little fucking curve. Ooh, beat up here, getting beat up. I gotta go off the edge here. Should have went over that rock, but that's okay. Oh, that was awesome. Should have rolled over that. Alright. That was sick. He built a good trail. That trail's fucking awesome. Anyway, so that was at the top of the loop. But yeah, he maintains and builds trails back here. I don't know if it's an organization or he just does it himself for free time. He also cuts the trees and stuff down, which is cool, but that was awesome. How you guys doing? Whew, have a good one. But yeah, that trail was so good.